Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss CBSE board questions of 2018 to 2020 and those questions only which are most likely to come, because in chapter 8 throughout the years there is lots of confusion student had, because CBSE had reduced the syllabus and NCERT has given a rational syllabus and students are totally confused about chapter 8. Even some of the teachers were also confused. So what I feel, we have to strictly follow the CBSE syllabus what they have given, and the syllabus it is very clearly written कि area under simple curve. So 8.2 is not totally deleted. Some of the questions where simple curves are involved, where origin is not shifted, those questions may come even from miscellaneous also. And if you look at the question that came in the sample paper question or board paper question of 2022 in the month of June, or the sample paper question of the same year and sample paper question of 2023, we see that 8.2 is not totally deleted, neither miscellaneous is totally deleted. So we have to be careful in selection of the question. So here in this video I have addressed all the confusions and I have discussed the questions, probable question that may come in 2023. Let us go ahead. Before we discuss the board questions of chapter 8, let us have a quick review of what CBSE has recommended for 2023 board examination. So let us look at the syllabus. In the syllabus it is mentioned application in finding the area under simple curves, especially line, circle, parabola, ellipse in standard form only. Also let us look at the term 2 question sample paper that came last year 2022, last year matlab this year only 2022 mein June mein. The questions were of this form: using integration find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the line x plus y equal to 2, the parabola and the x axis, and using integration find the area of the region, this one where a circle is there and a straight line is there. This year the question came in this way: there is a parabola and there is a straight line and the area is included in between them. So based on this, now we have to select the questions that came in 2018, 19 and 20. I am going to discuss for these 3 years, and in this question we have to delete some of the questions that may not come in 2023. In 2018, we see that the first question is, it is a parabola and the ordinate x-axis, it may come. Second question, it may also come. Third question, again parabola line may come. Third question, area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by line and circle, it may come. Question number 5, which came in 2019, this question may not come because here x minus 1 whole square, it is not in a standard form. So let us delete this question. 2019 the first question, it may not come. Second question, it is a circle and straight line, it may come. Third question, area of the ellipse, it may come. Again the next question, using integration find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given like this. We know that first we have to locate these points, then we have to draw straight line and the triangle will be formed. So it takes lots of time, and as we have discussed with some of the colleagues also, this area of the triangle may not come because it will not be justified for 5 marks. So let us erase this one. Question number next one, here also the circle they have given, here shifting the origin is there, so it will also not come. Using the method of integration, again area of a triangle, it may not come. Next question, area between two circle, one circle is not in standard form, so it will not come. Triangle, again area of a triangle, it will not come. Next question, again circle where origin is shifted, it is not in standard form, it will not come. Using integration find the area of the region bounded by parabola and circle, it may come. Next one, again area of a triangle bounded by 3 lines, it may not come. This one again circle and parabola may come. Again area of a triangle, it may not come. So 2019 का only 4 question probable question of 2023. Again 2020 में among all the question, the first one area of a triangle, it will not come. Next one it may come. This one again parabola and straight line, it may come. Next one, it is again circle and parabola, but circle's origin is shifted, so it will not come. 11 question area of a triangle, it may not come. Here this one, this curve is not a simple curve, so it will not come. The very next question, it may come. Again the another question, it may not come because it is the circle whose origin is shifted. Next question, it is repeated. I think question number 14 is a repeated question of the question number 2 of 2018. It repeated. Again the last one, area of a triangle, it may not come. So these are the question left for us. Of course, this question also it will not come because it is area of a triangle. So we are left with 13 question that are probable question of 2023 which came in 2018, 19 and 20, out of which also one question, question number 2 is a repeated question. So that question basically we have to discuss 12 question from the set of this question. Chart regarding how to attempt the questions from this topic. First of all, we have to identify the given curve. Okay. Then draw the rough sketch of the given curve, shade the required region, and then finally what we have to do? We have to apply appropriate integral we have to apply appropriate integral formula. Now let us look at the question that came in 2018 CBSE questions. Using integration, find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x, x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. And if you look at the question carefully, the same question, similar question was given this year sample paper produced by CBSE, and the diagram look like this. It is in the first quadrant. So this is a parabola, y square equal to 9x, it is a right parabola, x equal to 2, it is a vertical line, x equal to 4, another vertical line, and this is in the first quadrant. So we have to use the formula 2 to 4, then modulus of y 3 root 3. Why we have taken mod? Because it is in the positive quadrant. Okay, because y square equal to 9x, and then rest of the things are application of integration. X to the power half was there, so x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 2 to 4. This constant 3 has come out, and ultimately after calculation we get the answer 4 into 4 minus root 2 square units. Next question is area between the curve x equal to y square and the line x equal to 4 divided into 2 equal parts by the line x equal to a, find the value of a. So y square equal to x, this is the parabola, x equal to a is this line, x equal to 4 is this line, and this part and this part are equal. So this is what we have written, area of OED and EFCD. Let us see the diagram. OED, this diagram, and EFCD, these two diagrams are equal. These two areas are equal, and this is the formula for these areas. And if we make them equal, then using the integration on the both side and using the upper limit minus lower limit, we get an equation like this. So a to the power 3 by 2 is shifted to this side in the next step. So twice of a to the power 3 by 2 equal to 4, root 4 means 2, and then a to the power 3 by 2 is 4. So a is equal to 4 to the power 2 by 3, and this is the required answer of A. So this is the next question, where this is the parabola that we have drawn, and this is a straight line, this line, and axis in between 0 and 3, this one. Here we have to take the point of intersection of this parabola and the straight line, and the point of intersection comes out to be 0 and 2. So that is why they intersect at the point 0, 0 and 2, x equal to 2. So area that is supposed to find the value. So area of the shaded region from 0 to 2 it is parabola, from 2 to 3 it is the line. So y is x square by 2 for the parabola and the line में x. So using the integration formula and putting upper limit minus lower limit, the final answer comes out to be 11 by 2. Next question is this one. Using integration find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x axis, the line and the circle. So this is the circle, this is the line and this is the x axis. Here also you have to do the same. From 0 to 4 we have to take x dx because it is a straight line, and 4 to root 32 we have to take the circle. So here we have applied the formula of chapter 7 and used the upper limit minus lower limit, hence the answer comes out to be 4 square units. So here the 2018 board question finishes. So this is the question that came in 2019. So here what we see, first of all we have to draw the diagram. We see that the first curve is 9x square plus 4y square equal to 36. We'll draw that curve first, then we'll go for the region, because equality represents the curve and inequality represents the region. So in this case, what we are going to do, we'll write down it as x square by 4, y square by 9 is equal to 1. So it becomes an ellipse, right? Ellipse with major axis 2, y2, because x square by 2 square, y square by 3 square equal to 1. So major axis is 2 minus x axis mein we have 2 as a intercept, y axis mein we have 3 as a intercept. So let us draw the diagram of the ellipse. So diagram will be somewhat this kind, where this point is 2 0, this point is 0 3. Now then we have to draw the diagram of this line. First of all, before drawing the diagram of the line, we must know that this region is inside region, because whenever we write down this is less than 1, that means the points 0 0 if you consider, it will follow this inequality. So we have to take the region inside the ellipse. Now let us draw the straight line. It's 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So it will be the straight line passing through 2 0 and 0 3. So the straight line will pass like this. Now we have to decide this region will be below the line or above the line. Let us take the point 0 0. Will it satisfy this equation? 0 plus 0 more than 6? No, it will not satisfy. So it is above the line. So that means the area of the region that we are interested is this region. So we are supposed to find the area of this shaded region. And how to find this area? Which formula we have to use here? That is, we see that the ellipse is at the top and the line is at the bottom. So x will go from 0 to 2, y upper minus y lower. That formula will lead us to the answer to the question. So let us go ahead. So this is the formula. Now how to determine the y for the ellipse? From this equation. This equation tells us 4y square equal to 36 minus 9x square. So y square will be equal to your 9 by 4. So 4 minus x square. Correct? So y will be equal to plus minus 3 by 2 square root of 4 minus x square. So that is the expression for your ellipse, y ellipse that we have written. So it will be from 0 to 2. 3 by 2 we have taken the positive part because the first quadrant area we have taken, square root of 4 minus x square. Similarly, for this line, your y will be equal to 2y is 6 minus 3x. So y will be 3 minus 3 by 2x. So here also if I take 3 by 2 common, it will become 2 minus x. So it will be 3 by 2, 2 minus x dx. So this is the expression of integration. Now for the first part, we have to use the integration formula, and the second part में direct integration में it will come. So the next step will be this one, 3 by 2 common and integration part remains. For this part we will write down x by 2 square root of 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sin inverse x by 2 minus integration of 2x plus x square by 2 going from 0 to 2. So in this expression, now you first put 2 upper limit minus lower limit 0. Whatever answer come, that is the required answer. Plus after the answer you have to put square units because it is the area. Next question of 2019 is the question where you have to find the area of this ellipse using integration. So what we are going to do, first we will draw the diagram of an ellipse. So this is the diagram of the ellipse. So what we are going to do, we will first find out the area of this shaded region by using the formula of integration of area, and we will multiply it with 4. So how you go about it? So area of the ellipse equal to 4 into 0 to a. Why 0 to a? Because this ordinate at this point will be x equal to a. So 0 to a y dx. So 4 into 0 to a, ellipse ka expression from here we can find out as b by a square root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. So again applying the same formula, here 4b by a comes out integration of 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx. Here we can apply the same formula of the previous question and find out the area of this ellipse. It's easy, and this solution is also there in an NCERT textbook. Next question of 2019 is the parabola and the circle. Why it is circle? Because it is x square plus y square is 9 by 4, or we can write down 3 by 2 whole square. It is in the standard form. The parabola is also in a standard form. So let us first draw a diagram. See, this is the diagram. This is our parabola. This is the circle. And how we find out this ordinate is x equal to half? From here we see that in place of y square we have substituted as 4x, because initially 4x square plus 4y square equal to 9. This is the equation. In place of y square we have substituted 4x. So 4 4 is 16. So we get this equation and we get the value of x as half and minus 9 by 2, which is not possible. Minus 9 by 2, it is on the negative side, they are not intersecting. So this is half. So the area that we are interested is this area basically, pura from here to here. This area we are interested to find, area of this region. So what we will do, we will take the upper half and multiply it with 2. So we will write down in this way, area of the shaded region is twice of 0 to half parabola. From 0 to half it is parabola, from half to 3 by 2 it is circle. So twice of 0 to half, what is the parabola in terms of y? It is square root of 4x dx. Plus what is the circle in terms of y? That would be, we can write down it as 4y square equal to 9 minus 4x square. So y square is equal to 9 by 4 minus x square. So it is square root of 3 by 2 whole square minus x square dx. So after this, you can use the integration formula, put upper limit minus lower limit, and hence reach to the answer. The next question, this is little bit similar to the previous question because it is also again involvement of circle and ellipse. I have already made the setup here. The circle is x square plus y square 16a square. This is the circle. 16a square means 4a whole square, so it is 4a. This point is 0, 4a. And the circle and the parabola is y square equal to 6ax, and they will intersect at the point x equal to 2a. How? I have made it 6ax equal to 16a square. How 6ax? Because originally the circle equation was x square plus y square equal to 16a square. So in place of y square, I have substituted 6ax, shifted the 16a square on the left side, and we got this equation where x ka do value we got minus 8a and 2a. Minus 8a not possible, 2a is possible. So this 2a is the ordinate where they intersect, and the area of the region that we need to find is this region. Both are less than, so inside the circle, and this is the case in case of the parabola. If doubts are haunting in your mind whether the region should be this or is it region or this region, take this point 4a0, substitute there, it is satisfying. Hence the region that we have shaded is the right one, and now it is the time to apply the formula. So area of the shaded region from 0 to 2a we have taken 6ax dx, that is this parabola part, and from 2a to 4a we have taken the circle, and of course this formula will give only the upper half of the region, so definitely we have to multiply this with 2, twice of this, and now we apply the integration formula for the first part as well as in the second part. Put the upper limit minus lower limit, and hence you can reach to the answer. So these are the probable question of 2019. Next we move to 2020 questions. This is the first question of 2020, which is most likely to come in 2023. So here what we see, this is a circle and this is a straight line. So first let us draw the diagram. So our diagram is ready. This is the circle whose center is at the origin with radius 3 units, and this is the straight line whose x and y intercept both are 3. So x value we have 3 0, y value we have 0 3. Now the region. For the circle what we see? For the circle we see here it is inside region, no doubt about it, and for the straight line it is the region up region, above region, because if I take 0 0 it is not satisfying this equation. So this shaded region is the region that we are supposed to find. So what is the formula we have to use here? The formula would be somewhat like this. We have to take the circle minus the straight line. So this formula, and we know the application of this formula from chapter 7. Again apply the formula in this part also, put upper limit minus lower limit, and you can get the answer to the area of this region. In the next question, it is parabola and a straight line. So first step, the diagram. So this is the diagram. What I have done, for the straight line I converted it into the intercept form, which is easier to draw. So x intercept minus 2, y intercept 6. Alright. So this is the straight line. And also you have to decide at what points the straight line will intersect with the parabola. For that, what I have done, the equation of the straight line was 3x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. In place of y, I have substituted 3x square, and I got the value of x as minus 1 and 2. Here minus 1, here it is 2. So this ordinate is basically x equal to minus 1, and this ordinate is x equal to 2. So what we see, the curve that is involved here, whether it is parabola or a straight line, these are all in standard form. So the region that we have to consider is this region. Included between the straight line and the parabola is this region. So we need to apply the formula now. The formula is y line minus y parabola, because line is at the upper, parabola is at the bottom. So we write down y of the line in terms of x, so 3x plus 6, we shift the y to the right side, and y equal to 3x square. And this definite integration value you can definitely find out, and whatever will come, that is square area is the required region. Next question. This is a very familiar question. Why it is so? Because this question is the 2023 sample paper question, and this would be our last question of discussion, and I am going to discuss this question in a detailed way because it came in the sample paper 2023, and the most probable question is this one. So what is the curve? Parabola, straight line and ordinate. So let us draw the diagram first. In fact, while drawing the diagram, you are in a dilemma. थोड़ा confusion होंगे. कैसा confusion? This parabola will be like this, okay? And this ordinate is x equal to 2. There is no problem here, okay? This line passes to the origin. So whether this line will go like this, or another option that is there 1, 2, or this line will be like this, or this line will go totally out of this parabola. So how to decide actually whether this line will intersect here before x equal to 2 or at x equal to 2, or it will not intersect the parabola at all? What is the actual situation? For that, you have to take the equation of the parabola, that is y equal to x square, and equation of the straight line y equal to x. Let us find out the point of intersection of both of them, that is x square equal to x. I have put in place of y. So this will lead to x square minus x equal to 0, x common x minus 1 equal to 0, x has two values 0 and 1. That means this parabola and this straight line, they intersect at x equal to 1, and this ordinate will be on the right side of this point of intersection, because x equal to 2 is the ordinate here, correct? So with this introduction, we can draw the diagram now. So the diagram is ready, okay? This is our y equal to x square, this is the line, your familiar line y equal to x, ordinate x equal to 1, y x equal to 1 because point of intersection of these two, and x equal to 2, it is given to us. Now the region, how to identify the region? So x is less than 2, so on the left side. And for this part, whether we should shed this region or outside region, let us look at this point. What is this point? This point is 1, 0. We substitute 1 and 0, it is satisfying. That means the region is outside this. The region is here, this region outside. So this is the region, alright. This region you have to identify, and many students, they make mistake here. What they do, they go for this region because that is more appealing, right? Which we have not shaded. And for your in future, so that you will not make mistake, I will put a cross mark over here. ये region नहीं है. बहुत बच्चे इस region को shade कर देते हैं इधर. So we have to be careful. So ये region को shade नहीं करना है हम लोगों को, हमको outside region करना है. Now, why this question they have given in the sample paper 2023? Because if you follow the CBSE syllabus, it is written that simple curve in standard form only. Standard form, alright. And these are simple curve as well. So that is why this question has been given in the sample paper question. And now we are in a position to find the area of the shaded region. So we'll write down area of the shaded region is equal to, first from 0 to 1 it is parabola. So 0 to 1 y parabola dx plus 1 to 2 a straight line, y line dx. So 0 to 1 parabola in terms of y, x square dx. 1 to 2 line x dx. Alright. So x square means x cube by 3 going from 0 to 1 plus x means x square by 2 going from 1 to 2. So it is 1 by 3 plus 2 square by 2 matlab 2 minus 1 by 2. And this last calculation part you can do, whatever answer comes, that is square area we have to write down. So here a discussion of all the 3 years 2018, 2019, 2020 finishes, which are the probable question of 2023. Hope this video was helpful for you and I wish you all the best, and you score all 5 marks, full marks in this topic. Good luck to you. Thank you.